Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Exporting your bookmarks is a great way to create a backup or transfer your favorite websites to another browser. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome browser. After that, click on the triple dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, hover mouse over bookmarks and lists and then click on Open Bookmark Manager. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on your keyboard to open the Bookmark Manager directly. In the Bookmark Manager, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Export Bookmarks. Now choose the folder where you want to save your bookmarks. Enter a file name if you would like and then click on the save button. Now your Google Chrome bookmarks have been successfully exported. You can keep the exported file as a backup or use it to import your bookmarks into another supported web browser whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Gear Up Windows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.